You know that frustrating feeling when you're trying to make a positive change in your life, but somehow it just isn't sticking. For a lot of people, this is especially true when it comes to using the gelatin trick for weight loss and wellness. They'll start out all excited, mixing up their gelatin and water, but then somehow they just can't seem to make it a consistent part of their daily routine. It's like they're setting themselves up for failure, and that's often because they're making some pretty common mistakes that stop the gelatin trick from working. My friend, if you're making the gelatin trick too complicated or using the wrong type of gelatin, it's just not going to have the same benefits. The gelatin trick is all about simplicity, so try to keep it straightforward. By avoiding these mistakes, you can actually start to see the gelatin trick work for you, and that's a really empowering feeling. If you want to get started with the gelatin trick the right way, check out the link in the description below for a straightforward guide. And be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some extra tips to help you get the most out of the gelatin trick.